time, baby. You make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine. You've been on my mind lately. I tell you all the time, baby. You make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine. Just let me show you everywhere I've been. Travel the world, still I miss my friends. The seasons turn, go home again.
Hi guys! Lalabas tayo tonight and kakain muna tayo ng dinner.
So this is the Tsukoshi Mall. Sarap na ng weather. Look, so that's the spectrum. And this is Zhongshan, guys. So this is the entrance to Tsukoshi. Now here at the Sunday market in Zhongshan. This is really like Hongdae, but I'm gonna skip going around for now and head straight to vintage stores. We're now in Chifeng Street, guys. This is popular for hipster cafes, specialty restaurants, and vintage stores. So, eto yung first vintage store that we're gonna visit. It's called a Prank Dolly. Let's go inside. On our way to the next vintage store, nakita natin itong Natural Kitchen. It's a local home goods store na nagbebenta ng maraming cute items. So, tignan natin kung meron tayong mabibili dito. Let's take a look around.
It's just you. It's just you. I miss it so much.
Ito yung second vintage store na pupuntahan natin. It's called Fight Against the World. Tignan natin kung ano yung pwedeng bilhin inside. Much happening around here in Zhongshan. Vibe here is very Korea. Hindi siya yung parang dun sa Ximending na touristy. Ito iba. This is Zhongshan district for you guys. Many cute stores and shops around here. So, pumasok tayo sa isang kalye dito, guys. Hinahanap natin yung next vintage store na pupuntahan natin. It's called Banana Cats. Alam nyo, sobrang ganda ng place na to, guys. Buhay na buhay siya. Is bustling, but hindi siya nakaka-suffocate na parang Ximending. At eto na guys, nasa harap tayo mismo ng next vintage store na papasukin natin. It's called Banana Cats.
Too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side. Mile high, when you're on my side, high up in the sky.
So we went here during lunch.
So eto nga guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Master Spicy Beef Noodles in Zhongshan. Nagpunta tayo dito kaninang lunch kung kailan wala masyadong tao. Pero hindi naman tayo kumain kasi busog pa tayo ng mga panahon na yon. Now, I'm back here for dinner at meron ng line. But mabilis namang umusad yung pila. Eto, nandito na ako sa loob. Actually, may pila pa dyan sa labas eh. But nakapasok na ako so hindi na masyadong malamig. Ayan, ako na yung next in line.
Cruising through the night.
This is like the spicy noodle soup, and I chose like the less spicy noodles, and then I replaced the liver with the tofu. The way they eat it is you get a little soup stock, put it on the noodles, doesn't get dry, and then you stir them.
This is good. What is this? Binds everything. So good.
I'm gonna stop because I'm really full. Pero guys, sobrang sarap. Lalo na this one. This is kind of sour. It kind of binds everything. This one is the spicy, salty, savory. This one also has a flavor on its own. And then if you put this, it's kind of like sour mustardy. Sarap. Sarap siya. Ito lang maubos at ang dami.
Guys, I just had dinner at this restaurant called Master Spicy. Sarap. Pusog na pusog ako. Yun kasi yung hinahanap ko. Shucks, ang sarap. Busog na busog ako. Muna ako dito. This is the Sunday market dito sa Zhongshan Park. So yun nga guys, kakakain ko lang. Sobrang sarap no kinain ko na beef noodles. So hindi siya yung beef noodles na malalaking tipako like Shiang. So they're using parang brisket na yung slices like sukiyaki cut. Sarap. Spicy yung sauce. Tapos meron pa siyang side sauce na yun yung medyo may asim eh. Like mustard. Parang yung nalalasahan ko yung mustard or parang vinegar siya. Yung noodles lang ha, ganda ng pagkaluto ng noodles. Al dente, mataba, chewy, masarap. Savory and may umami na siya. It's just that you have to add a little sauce kasi medyo ano siya parang sticky. So with the sauce medyo pwede mong haluin. But yeah, well, I'm really happy I went back. Kaso kanina ng lunch, konti lang yung tao doon. But ngayon ang haba ng pila. But I'll show you. Ayun guys, so may pila kasi siya. Yan, paikot pa siya no, from here. Pasok pa siya sa loob. Sa loob may pila pa rin yan. Sa labas lang yung pila na yan. But sa loob meron din. So yun nga, yung kanina lunch, wala nakapila doon. But yung dinner, meron na. Yan lang. Okay din naman kasi kanina nag-lunch na rin ako eh. Although hindi ko kasi nagustuhan yung lunch ko. Actually, early lunch pala, no? Hindi naman lunch. Kaya lang yung time na lunch, busog pa ako. Hinanap ko lang kung saan siya nakalocate para madali ko siyang mapuntahan for dinner. Yun, mag-ikot-ikot tayo dito. But before ako umikot dito, punta muna ako ng 7-Eleven. Gagamitin natin syempre yung ating napanalunan na 5,000 NTD sa Lucky Land. So let's make use of that. It has a limit. I think every day you can use up to 3,000 lang eh. Tingnan natin. Nagamit ko na eh. Halos 400 sa transpo and isang 7-Eleven na snacks. Let's go! Sabi ko na ba guys na sa dinami-dami ng 7-Eleven here in Taiwan, wala akong makitang 7-Eleven na malapit sa hotel. Ito yun. Ito po pinakamalapit. Let's go inside. Dessert. Medyo gabi na and nagsasara na rin sila. They're packing up now. We're gonna go back to the hotel because it's been a long day for me. Bukas na lang natin itutuloy ulit. I'll just show you what is happening in this district. There's a transit gate store here. That's a mall. Explore natin kung anong meron dito sa food court ng Taiwan Mall here in Taipei, Zhongshan.
Ticket, I want you in my life. Feel a mile high when you're on my side. High up in the sky, cruising through the night.
Also a lively area na hindi tourist lahat. Still, dito puro locals nakikita ko. Ganda talaga dito. I like it here. Kotang-kota ang lakad natin guys today. Diyos ko, sakit ang paa ko. Ilang kayang steps lahat-lahat nagawa ko today. 10 km guys, 10 km. 14,000 steps. Pilay-pilay pa ako nyan sa lagay na yan. Parang hindi maganda yung 7-Eleven doon. Konti lang yung mabibili. So I bought this Tiger Sugar. Tinry ko din tong black tea. Ayan. And, syempre, ito. This is the caramel pudding. Yeah! Excited na ako. Papakita ko to sa anak ko. Grabe! Pagod na pagod ako. Aga ditong matapos ng market. 8. Nag-empake na sila. Try na natin kainin! Ito na. Tingnan na natin to. So, buksan natin. Tadaan! Tan tan tan! Jiggly. Isip ko mag-uwi ako nito, pero baka naman pagdating sa atin, tunaw na, diba? Uy, lambot. Parang gelatin yung texture, oh. May ano pa, may langib pa na sumama. Gelatin. Gelatin to, guys. Hindi to leche flan. Ang tamis, puro arnibal. Okay lang. Saks lang. Saks lang daw, no? Na-4 na subo na. Kalahati na. Saks pa rin. So, yun guys. At tapusin ko na yung vlog ngayon. Parang ang haba ng araw na to. Hindi ko siguro to pagkakasyahin sa isang day. Hahati-hatiin ko siya, no? Para naman hindi kayo maumay, para siyang overload. Kahit ako, baka mahilo lang ako pag i-edit niyan. So, I'll chop it into maybe 2 parts. Tapos, yan. Tapos, upload natin ng, hindi naman sunod-sunod, ano. May break naman kasi ako lang nandun naman na nag-i-edit. But, hindi natin paabutin ng 1 week. So, try natin na upload ng twice a week para, para kayo may sinusubaybayan. Okay, so yun lang guys. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and see you guys in the next one. Bye.